Let's make this series lamp. It is very important and helpful while repairing, while troubleshooting, while testing any electrical circuits, electronic circuits and appliances. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. How to make series lamp, series test lamp, dimmable lamp. In repair process, it is helping item that will help us to protect the circuit from any further damage. Sometimes while repair process we inject some signal or we install any component that is also fail, that will cause to damage more and more in the circuit. To protect the circuit we need series lamp. Let's make it. It is a question from my viewer, how to make series lamp and how to use it. What we need: a clear tungsten lamp, incandescent lamp, 60 watt or 100 watt. 60 watt is good. You can also use 100 watt, that is also safe. If you are working with the 200 watt, 300 watt power supplies, 100 watt lamp is good. If you are working with welding machines, inverter AC circuits or high current devices, that time we need 200 watt lamp. We will not use CFL lamp or we will not use LED lamp. We will use clear tungsten lamp. It is a resistive load which we are adding in series with any device under test. We need lamp holder. You can use any wooden box to make it secure, to install these items on the wooden box. 2-wire cable. If you are repairing some circuits that use this plug, you will use this power cable, or you can use any electrical wire with good quality. 2-pin plug. I prefer to use crocodiles because it makes us flexible to inject voltage in every type of circuit. 2-pin plug, 3-pin plug, 110, 220. We will use like this. But we need extreme care because on these 2 points live and isolated voltage will present. Or you can use sockets like this. You can use universal, you can use light plug. This is power cable, 220 volt AC or 110 volt. Line, neutral. We will cut 1 wire. You can install in line or neutral. One wire will pass directly and these 2 ends will be connected to this holder. For example, we are working on a power supply that full loaded condition is 300 watt. As a rough calculation, 300 watt divided by 220 volt, 1.3 ampere is maximum current, input current at full loaded condition. If we will use this lamp is 60 watt divided by 220, maximum 270 milliampere current will illuminate at full brightness. That means it will limit the current for this power supply during normal working condition. It will not allow full loaded operation. It will limit input current of this circuit. can install on any plastic sheet, any insulated sheet, wooden box, because I am demonstrating. That is reason I am making it just a prototype. Now this lamp is ready. While working, we will not touch these terminals. If there is short circuit condition, this lamp will bright. Always remove the plug for safety, and when we are not using it, we will connect it. It will indicate that the plug is removed. It is a best practice for safety. Now if I want to test this circuit, this time it is flashing. After flashing, the lamp is normal. Power supply is turned on. That time, when it was flashing, it was providing limited current to charge this capacitor, because when circuit is in off condition, this capacitor was empty. Empty capacitors draw heavy current. This circuit is in good working condition. If there is any component short circuit, any capacitor is damaged, any bridge rectifier, any MOSFET is damaged, that time this lamp will provide constant light, so that there will be indication that there is something wrong in the circuit. Never touch any component when power is applied. For example, this capacitor is short circuited internally. Let's assume this capacitor is short circuited. I created a short circuit link across this capacitor. The lamp is fully bright now, because this time this capacitor is behaving as a short circuit. In normal condition, when PFC circuit is trying to take more current to charge this capacitor, that time the lamp will indicate that circuit is trying to draw more current. These are output terminals. I connected short circuit in the output. This time the circuit is trying to draw more current, but it is limiting the input current. I provided short circuit in the output. Full load operation, we can see the lamp is fluctuating. It is indicating that either the circuit is in loaded condition, or maybe there is anything short circuit. When I connected test lamp here, it is not showing any indication. Sometimes some circuit draw a little amount of current that is unable to illuminate its element. If by mistake I connect in output side, the lamp will protect the circuit. If I will connect 220 volt live without series lamp on these 2 points, this circuit will damage immediately. But now the output circuit is safe due to this lamp. The lamp draws some current. It indicates that its input circuit is clear. The circuit is drawing current. Once the capacitor is charged, that time it will not draw more current. So if this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.